Hi, welcome back. Thanks for coming back today. I'm going to be doing a tutorial today using some new products I got on my face and my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using this new Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette, which I'm like already obsessed with. And for my face, I got some new products that I'm like really excited about. So I'll be doing my face first and then my eyes and even featuring some new hair products. So I'm really excited about all these new products that I got. So hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. All right, so today I'm actually going to start by doing my face makeup first. You'll see why in a minute. So I'm going to prime my face first, and this will be the first of my new products. This primer is from Origins called Original Skin. My mom actually told me about this, told me I should try it, so I put some on at Sephora, and it's actually amazing. It's supposed to be like pore coverage, um, and it works really well. It comes out as a foam, which I thought was kind of weird because I wouldn't think a foam would be good at covering up pores, but just watch. There it is. You just need like a small amount, it goes pretty far. You can't see very well because this is like an iPhone camera, but like it minimizes my pores like probably more than any other product I've used. Like they're not gone because my pores are huge, but they're like really minimized. And once it dries, it makes your face like baby soft. It's great. So you guys know I was so excited that the Fenty foundation finally came back in stock. I got my shade and I wore it a few times, and then like after a few times of wearing it, I noticed that at the end of the day it didn't match my face anymore. And I knew it oxidized, but I guess I didn't think it would oxidize that much. And my face looked like yellow and it didn't match my skin. So I'm like, great. And I already used it too many times to return it, so whatever. But I went and got the next shade down, which was much better. But then my mom told me that I need to try this Bobbi Brown foundation, this new one, Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15. She said she just tried it and she loved it, and it did look really good on her skin. So she said I should try it instead. So I got a sample and I tried some, just put some on like really quick on Saturday and wore it, kept it on my face for 8 hours to really test it out. And it was really great. My face was still matte after 8 hours and like wasn't like breaking up nearly as much as my foundations usually do. So I decided to swap the Fenty out for this one. And then the other thing was I tried my mom's Sonic foundation brush. I don't know if you've heard of that, but it's this brush that goes on the Clarisonics, which I already had, to put on your foundation. It's supposed to go on better. So I was like skeptical, but so I used my mom's first, and it literally made my face look airbrushed. Like my foundation has never looked that good. And I don't know if it's because of this brush or because of the foundation or both, but it looked so fucking good. So I'm like really excited. I finally have something that like makes my foundation go on nicely. So I'm gonna use the new Bobbi Brown foundation with this new Sonic foundation brush. And the box that the foundation brush came in is kind of cool. On the side, it shows like a little diagram of how you should, there we go, a little diagram of how you should put on your foundation, like where to dab it on and even the contour. So I'm going to kind of follow along with that. Okay, again, I know it's kind of hard to tell because my camera isn't that great, but I'm telling you, my skin looks like almost airbrushed. Like the application's so smooth, it doesn't look like cracky like it usually does. My pores are like very minimized, so that's always a plus. So that's why I wanted to do my face first, just because I kind of wanted to get the brush a little bit closer to my eyes. Didn't want to worry about ruining my eye makeup. So best tips for using that are to hold the brush like so it's just barely touching your face. You don't want to press it in, like you want the bristles just barely touching your face, and just go in very small circles. And I usually have to go over an area a few times to get it really smoothed out. So it takes a little bit longer, but it's definitely worth it. I know I haven't contoured in a long time because, like I said, every time I try to contour, like it just did not look good with my foundation. It kind of ruined it a little bit. But I think this foundation brush is supposed to be good for blending contour too. So I'm gonna try it today just to see how it works. Because if it works well, then this is like a great solution to a few of my problems. So let's see. All right, not gonna lie, I'm like so fucking excited right now. Like my contour has never looked that good, even not even close. Like it actually looks like I'm like a legit makeup artist. Like I actually know how to contour. Wow. Okay. Literally obsessed with this brush already. I cannot believe it took me this long to get it. For concealer, I'm just gonna use the same thing. Although technically they are new, just because I ran out of them. But same usual stuff. The Tarte Shape Tape. This time I got Fair Neutral. Before I just got Fair. I don't know if it's gonna make a difference, but nice, pretty new bottle. And my Urban Decay color corrector in pink. While my face is baking or setting or whatever the fuck you want to call it, I'm gonna do my eyes and my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. For my eyes, I'm so excited. I'm gonna use the Kristen Leanne Urban Decay palette. I wasn't gonna get it because I have so many palettes already, but then I just finally saw it like in person at Sephora, and I'm like, I need it. Because you know me, I love my shiny shades, the like metals and the glitters, and that's like all this is. So pretty, especially this purple one. I'm crazy about purple. And this one you can't really tell, but oh, there we go. Really shiny. So I had to get it. Also, it comes with a cute little brush. So I was sitting there for like 10 minutes trying to figure out what to do. I still don't know exactly what I'm going to do because I like literally want to use all the colors because they're all so pretty. So I'm just going to like start and see where it goes. So it does have a couple matte shades in here. One is this orange that's like a good transition shade. And then there's also a matte black. So I'm going to use this one, of course, in my crease for all over. I think I'm going to put the black shade in the crease as well. So I know I do a cut crease for like every look. That's why I was trying to figure out something else to do, maybe something different. But honestly, like the vision I have in mind is for a cut crease. So whatever, who the fuck cares? Like if I do a cut crease every time, at least I use different colors. That's something. Um, so first I'm gonna go in with the purple shade. I have to use it. That's definitely my favorite one. Purple's my favorite color. So I'm gonna go in with that for like the main or for the outer corner and like into the crease. Let me use this little brush that came in the palette. For the middle part of the lid, I'm going to go in with this pretty blue teal shade LCW. I wonder what these stand for. I really like this brush that came in the palette. It's like really condensed, so it picks up a lot of product and like packs it on really heavily, so it's really pigmented. For the last part of the lid on the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Lime Time, the green shade here. Now I like my glitter, so I'm going to put some heavy metal glitter eyeliner in the crease. This one is Distortion. For the lower lash line, I'm going to start by putting this Urban Decay eyeliner on to give the color a little more pigment. To add even more color to this look, for the lower lash line, I'm going to use Spitfire over here, just like magenta color. I was gonna add a wing like I always do, but I might actually just leave this as it is. I'm not sure yet. I'm just gonna finish everything else and then see how it looks, and then I may or may not go back and add a wing later. So for underbrow highlight, I'm going to add Kristen here, which is the whiter side of this duo thing. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with Leo, which is the more blue side over here. I really like that shade. It's like a super icy blue. I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer and blush real quick. I'm sure everyone's heard about the new Benefit mascara that just came out. They had that big reveal. So you know I had to go get it like the day after it came out. The brush just looked really nice, and I've been using the Real forever because it's amazing. Like I use the same mascara every time for a reason. But this is from the same brand, and I think the brush looks really nice. Like it's not clumpy at all, so it looks like it'd be really good for volumizing and separating lashes. So I'm gonna give this a try. It's my first time using it. Just got it the other day, and I did already put my their Real primer on, so I do already have that on. So first impressions, this looks great. Like my lashes look super long and they're very separated. Maybe slightly less voluminous than their Real, but I think it makes them longer. So if anything, if I'm going for like really dramatic, I think I would probably try to put their Real on top of this one, but it looks really good on its own. And actually, I think I'm going to leave it without a wing. One, because I'm lazy and it's like getting late and I have to work tomorrow, but also just because I think it looks good how it is, and especially because my lashes look really nice, like it makes it look a little more complete. And I'm sure you noticed this. Could I get through one time without getting mascara on my face? Probably not. For my highlight, I'm going to go in with my Diamond Light highlighter. Since this eye look is really multi-dimensional, I think I need a multi-dimensional highlighter. For my lips, I'm just going to do something simple because I'm tired, honestly. So I'm going to go in with one of my Huda Beauty lip strobes. This one is from that little 4-pack that I had. This one's called Starcross, which is it's just like an icy white glitter, I guess. Really should have exfoliated my lips first. They're kind of dry. Whatever. So I also got this little Milk Makeup tattoo stamp. There's a little heart. I already have the star I got for Halloween. And I was at Sephora the other day and I saw it. I don't know why I got it. Like, when the fuck am I ever gonna use it? But like, it's so cute. I don't know why. I don't know why I do things I shouldn't be allowed at Sephora. So I'm just gonna like stamp a little heart over here. Just like kind of see how it looks on my face and whatever. You can't push too hard, otherwise it'll get like the lines on the outside on it. So just very lightly, and I think it works. Or not. I'm just gonna fill in the part that like didn't really transfer with some eyeliner. Oh my god. The cat is knocking stuff all over the floor. That's cute. So another new thing I just got, I'm sure you guys have heard of IGK hair foam that just came out. Of course, I got both colors already. I first ordered this one because I thought the other one would be too light for my hair. But then like I kept seeing more videos and pictures of it and I'm like, fuck it, I want it. So I ordered this one too. I did try this one day, a little bit. I'm just gonna try like a small amount of each on like a small patch of my hair just to kind of see how they look. I don't want to go too crazy because I'm like gonna go to bed soon. So you can apply these by putting the foam directly on your hand and then kind of like smoothing it into your hair. But I also saw people using combs to put it in. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I haven't tried putting it in that way yet, so I'm gonna see how that looks and how it works. So that's actually my first time using this shade. This one is called Moon Rock, and this is the one that's like pinkish teal or something. I know pink for sure. I don't know the other reflective color. I'm not sure if it's best to put on my hair or on the comb. I'm gonna try to just put a small amount in my hair. And that's really cute. It's like when you put it in with the comb, it's like just enough, not too much. So you can just barely see the glitter in the light. And I'm gonna use Meteor on another little section of my hair. So I use the lighter one here, the darker one in the back. They kind of look very similar. Yeah, I think these would be great for just like a night out. And using the comb, it of course it gets crunchy because like it's a foam, but if you use the comb, it keeps it all like nice and separated and like less clumpy. So that's nice. And I have layers in my hair, so I like to put it on like some of the underneath layers so it just kind of peeks out, make it a little more subtle. All right, that is it. So this is the final look. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.